The Tokyo Metropolitan Government is focused on creating a safe and secure city. Examples include the widening of rivers and construction of regulating reservoirs to protect citizens from disastrous floods. The rapid urban development, which began in the 1950s, resulted in much urban flood damage, particularly during the summer season when typhoons strike, causing river flooding and overwhelming residential areas. In Tokyo, damage from flooding has reduced drastically since the construction of large regulating reservoirs by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. When a large typhoon struck Tokyo in 2019, 21 out of 28 regulating reservoirs worked to absorb floodwater, preventing a major disaster. On the other hand, Tokyo's Sumida City is an example of collaboration with citizens, contributes to preventing flooding and promoting greenery. The city's 772 rainwater tanks collect more than 26,000 tons of rainwater, protecting citizens from flooding.
雨水活用というのはやはり区民レベルで進めていかなければならないかなというふうに思っておりまして、墨田区多くの区民の方に雨水タンクをご家庭に設置していただいて、普段使いで使っていただいているというところがございます。
このロジソンという施設は墨田区に20カ所ほどあって、こちらのお家に降った雨を一旦ここの地下にあるタンクに蓄えて、それを手押しポンプで汲み上げて近所の人たちが使えるという仕組みになっています。こちらにある市民農園と組み合わせて設置されているところで、ここに溜まった雨水を水やりに普段使っています。
The collected water is used for daily life and for maintaining greenery. This initiative has developed through the collaborative efforts of the municipal government and citizens. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government and the municipal governments in Tokyo are making their own efforts to achieve the creation of a safe, secure, and attractive city.